In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the headlight switch in a Grand Cherokee located on the interior left of the steering wheel. So once you're sitting in the driver's seat, you'll see this switch right here to the left of the steering wheel, and see how it has push tabs? 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. So basically you need to get a trim tool or a little small screwdriver without doing any damage, and see if you could just pop that carefully out, just like that. There's your harness. So you're going to take the red tab, push it up like that, then you can push down and release. Take your new switch, reverse procedure, hear a click, and then push that tab to lock. Make sure the harness is out of the way. Here's your headlights. This is your dimmer switch. Ready to go. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.